Ngarang puthokkhiba Manipur ki budget aduda state asigi Ching Amasung Tampak da shijinnagadaba Senpham Amata Pandribasi Yengsinbiyu haina Lok Sabha ki MP Alfred K Arthur na House ki pukning chingshinkhre wafam masing asi Lok Sabha da chathagiba Manipur budget 25-26 ke general discussion da mahakna phongdokhibane discussion aduda MP Alfred K Arthur na hai Manipur ki swatharaba amasung laita laira sing mahaki constituency manungda khwaidagi yamna lairibane makoi sing asi ayambana NREGA gi mating na hinglibane amaromda district level committee gi mifam so mahakna chair lauraga taruklak famkhre masida kumja lesing ani kunmari ge NREGA gi senpham asi chada yangkhai hojik fawba pallaga leide kumjali singani kunmari kunmanga gi oina senpham amatta pithoktana leide pumnamak singasi oiduna su handaki budget asida karigumba amatta hengatpa ude kumjali singani kulumdoi kunmari gi material ki senpham thadokraga miyam matau karamna thabak sugadoribano hojik fawba senpham thadokdaba ase achumba khongthang nate Manipur na khwaidagi per capita income nemba state ama oide masi karigi damak semdokna bakhona dribano agriculture amasung horticulture ki lamda karigumba amata hingate chingi lamda income amata leitabagi mathakta kanaba amata phangdre chingi mafam sing chaukhatnabagi pambai amata leitabagum taure phibama se da matau karamna kanada tang jaraga hingadoribano haibase wahang ama oide state lengang na punna chaukhat minabagi thawrang amata sinba ude Manipur da thokhiba irang asina maram oinaga internally displaced person lising khumpugi matang da budget asida karigumba amata pande masi Ministry of Home Affairs na mityeng changhaningi haina MP Alfred K Arthur na makhata na phungdokhe.
I never expected that the Union of India today, when we are at a position or in a position to ensure that the legislation of business with regard to the budget of Manipur is clearly as by law established. We have not yet adhered to that, Mr. Chair, sir. When you go into the budget, I have already chaired 6 meetings in the district level Disha committees. The marginalized and the poor of our nation, so is also my constituency, Mr. Chair, sir. They survive on Narega. You know the status of Narega today. These are reports from the district collectors in the Disha meetings from all departments. 2023-24 Narega material component 50% has not been released. 24-25 nothing has been released. And the mandates that are being given there are 25 mandates in a year. The budget, there is no increase this time from the union again.